Bottom line is I have 42 refunds for 1,030. Got them.
So
every one of these was for $25.
They didn't mix it up at all.
It made it real easy.
So when did it start?
He admitted to it.
And it's over. How much is the total of this?
1,030.
It's a felony amount.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so once it's over 750, it might tie our hands a little bit.
This case turns on three legal questions: the value threshold for a felony, the adequacy of a custodial warning, and the reach of constitutional protection.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. What's up?
Got this associate who has been committing refund fraud.
Okay, so tell me what happened.
He works customer service, rings up a refund with no customer there, takes his phone, reaches around, puts the refund on his contact list with the phone.
What's he refunding? How's that work?
He keys in $25 grocery, $25.
You don't have to have a receipt to scan or anything? And so he...
Then just turns, because once you turn a refund, now your register's over 25 because we're supposed to be giving it to a customer, right? So then when he takes it, it makes it even.
So when he brings it up, has $25 refund.
Here, I'll show it to you. This is what it looks like.
I should have brought my glasses up here. Okay. So grocery food refund, right? Mm-hmm. Order total $25.
Mm-hmm.
Grand total. And then what's this? Just the fact that it's been given back?
Yeah. On this one, he took cash. Sometimes you'll see it over here. There'll be.
So you don't have to provide a receipt to get a $25 refund?
Oh no.
Like, hey, here's a receipt for whatever.
We get a refund for anything, anytime.
That's not smart, huh?
No, it isn't.
Okay.
But that's I'm loss prevention. They're retail.
Yeah.
It's a holdover from a long time ago, but our Publix culture is such that we want to continue to give our customers a refund.
I work at Publix or Shopper. 10-4. We're going to be upstairs in the upstairs management office. Bottom
line is I have 42 refunds for 1,030. Got the
so
of every one.
So when the drawer is checked, I'm assuming there will not reflect.
No, it balances. So if you do a refund and you don't give the refund to the person, it'll be over that amount because it'll
be over. But he takes it.
But
if he takes it, then
it becomes
even.
So
okay.
The register's been even all those times.
So how did you become aware of this?
We have an exception-based reporting system that flags people that are doing excessive refunds that look suspicious. We have certain things we look for.
So what flagged you?
Grocery food, $25, and a multitude of them.
So he's only done that, like transactions for 25.
Every one of these was for $25.
They didn't mix it up at all.
It made it real easy.
So when did it start?
Beginning of March.
Mm-hmm. And then when
Let's put it this way. That's all I have video because my video.
Yeah. When did you become? So you became aware of beginning of March, and
I became aware of it last week when we identified it in our exception-based reporting.
That he was doing a lot of these transactions.
1048 popped up, and it takes a while to dig in and find it, and then you start looking at video, and then all of a sudden,
so you have video.
So that was on 424, and today I'm interviewing, so it's been 6 days since I found out.
And what has he said?
He admitted to it.
And it's over. How much is the total of this?
1,030.
Okay. And you want him to go to jail?
Yes.
Okay.
Under Florida Statute Section 812.014, theft becomes grand theft of the third degree, a felony, once the value reaches $750 or more. At a stated loss of $1,030, this conduct sits just above that line. The statute requires a knowing taking of another's property with intent to deprive the owner. 42 identical transactions made deliberately and repeatedly establish that intent clearly. A single mistake is not a felony. A sustained scheme over 2 months is.
You want to write a statement and all that stuff?
If I have to, we have
Okay.
to do, sir.
All right. So, what he's doing, and I can take primary, you can take him to jail for me. It doesn't really matter to me.
Oh, just where you can send us one of the calls on the
write it. He started at the beginning of March. I guess you do what do you call it again? A refund transaction.
Yeah, refund.
So no customers there, right? He keys in $25 refund, and either takes the cash himself or puts his phone over the scanner and scans the $25 in back onto his whatever checking account or service.
Apple Pay, I think.
And I guess it will go undetected until something flags it in their system, which he eventually found.
Okay.
And then started to look into, and I guess beginning of March until now, he's been.
And since March, it's $1,030. You said
42 refunds
since March.
since March.
$42,000. Okay.
42 refunds for $1,000. 1,030.
1,030. Right.
So he's admitted to it. I haven't spoken to him, but that's kind of where we're at. And they want him to go to jail. Obviously, you heard that.
Anyone else in here or no?
No. Yeah, put these back in there for you so we don't.
Oh, is it they're calling the victims in the county?
Let us talk to him.
What's up, man? How you doing? So I guess I was talking to loss prevention guy, basically over here, trying to figure out what's going on. But before we talk to you, we have to read your rights.
Colonial address. He actually went to our house.
Right, so you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? All right. Anything you say may be used against you. Do you understand? All right. You have the right to an attorney before and during question. If you cannot afford one, one can be provided to you. Do you understand? Okay. Have I promised you anything to talk to me? Have I promised you anything to talk to me in reference to this? All right. Do you understand your rights?
The second question is the warning. Once a suspect is in custody and questioned,
This card
Miranda
represents the landmark
versus
decision of
Arizona
1966,
decided in
mandating that all suspects be
1966
informed of their rights upon
requires
arrest.
advisement
At that
of four
point,
rights:
I realized the full extent
right
of the
to
deception.
silence,
The
that
documents clearly
statements
show a
may be
pattern of
used
fraud.
against him, the right to counsel, and appointed counsel if he cannot afford one. The decisive standard
The weight
is
of
not
this single
whether a
document
warning
shifted
was
the balance
spoken,
entirely.
but whether it was clear enough to support a knowing and intelligent waiver. A rushed or partially unintelligible advisement invites a later motion to suppress the confession.
Okay. So basically, he's saying that there's 40-something transactions, I guess, that you're creating and then refunding to yourself. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Do you know the exact amount?
$1,030.
That's what he said. Is that you agree with that amount?
Yeah, I don't know the total amount.
Okay. All right. And were you just like, I guess, ringing stuff up, and then were you taking cash, or were you like putting in your account? How's that working?
I've done both. Put it back on my card, cash.
Like debit card or
Yeah, Apple Pay.
Apple Pay? Okay. How do you do that? Like, how do you put it back in your? When you do a refund, how do you put it back in your Apple Pay?
Just to double click my phone and hold it to the same pad.
So you just like, is it like a QR code you scan or something? Yeah.
When just like that and hold it to the pen pad.
Oh, and it just it refunds it like cash. So it goes to your Apple Pay account
No, it doesn't.
or your Apple Wallet or whatever.
It just goes to my
Check
debit
in.
card.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So it's like getting cash. All right. So they want to press charges. I'm just gonna call my supervisor real quick and see. You know, the difference between, I guess, going to jail and me sending it to the state and letting them figure it out. Okay. So just hang tight real quick.
You got your ID?
No.
You have a Florida driver's license, I'm assuming, right? All right. What's your first name?
Carlos.
You have a Florida DL, right?
Zone 2.
Florida driver's license.
Teletype
Yeah,
north.
okay. You gone to jail before? No? How long have you been doing this?
What, working here?
Well, how long have you been working at Publix?
5 years.
When did you start doing this?
Couple months ago.
Not a good move, huh? Yeah. Are you full time here?
Blackmail.
Yes, sir.
What is there? Are they gonna fire you?
Contract 23 at a time.
I'm sorry, man.
That's all. Well, there's nothing to be sorry about.
I hate seeing somebody that's obviously not, previously been doing, thing. How old are you?
26.
Yeah. I hate to see that.
That's a fine truck, 22 unit time.
I hate to see that, man. We're used to dealing with people who do the wrong thing a lot. So, doesn't sound like this is the case.
That's where I'm most likely going.
Huh?
I'm going to jail.
I can't tell you right now. He's going to ask our supervisor and see if we can do it a different way. You know, it's a felony amount.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so once it's over 750, it might tie our hands a little bit as far as how if it was misdemeanor, definitely probably based on speaking with you, definitely probably wouldn't be going to jail for sure. But we'll see.
The third question is constitutional reach. The investigation here was conducted by
Built
a
in
private
1921,
employer,
the courthouse was meant to
not the
symbolize
state.
order, yet it quickly
Under
became the center of a
Bordeaux
corruption
versus
scandal that defined the era.
Decided in 1921, the Fourth Amendment restrains government action, not private conduct. Evidence a company gathers while investigating its own employee is therefore not subject to suppression, even though officers later relied on it.
According to the transaction log, the funds were moved just hours before the freeze. These markers highlight the critical timing.
The transaction records, and the suspect's own admission given after the warning. A final legal
Evidence
point
suggested a cover-up,
concerns discretion.
but confirming it meant risking
Felony
everything.
classification
He had to
narrows
choose.
an officer's options, but it does not eliminate them. Florida procedure permits a notice to
The state attorney's
appear
office
or a
issued this notice,
referral to
compelling the
state
defendant to
attorney
appear.
in place
Failure
of
to do so would
immediate
result in
booking,
immediate contempt charges.
particularly for a cooperative, first-time, non-violent offender.
Assault with weapons, no attempt to kill, no record found with jail in Florida.
It's East Coast 17, but I don't have a cage car. So,
Neither do I. Oh, wait, I mean, I can't leave here.
right, you're off duty, okay. So I'll ask for a 40. Do you have statements and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you driving?
It's a supervisor car, but it's a spare. So, it doesn't have anything. Charlie 27, can I get a signal 40?
I'll go downstairs. So I'm trying to run them. You got your phone number? I'll send you this info.
Yeah.
I'll be back up in a minute. I gotta get some paperwork for you to write a statement for me. Okay? Yeah, I know it's kind of policy is policy. It seems like he's pretty remorseful and doesn't have a history of this and never been arrested. So it sucks to see somebody that's been here for a while do this. I'll be back up.
You're being placed under arrest. You just leave your phone right there. Okay. You want to use your house?
Yeah. Put your hands like you're praying like this together, like that. There you go.
I'm sorry?
You couldn't do it outside.
Well, I mean, we'll have to walk you. We can't do it outside with you
There's an
now.
emergency door downstairs.
But we're going to walk you out, like
won't
the
go
side.
through
So
there.
we're not going to go through the lobby, okay?
No. I ain't good. Just do what you need to do.
The officers receive a grade of B+. They advised the suspect before questioning, confirmed the statement was not coerced, and exercised measured charging discretion. Their advisement, however, was rushed, and they adopted the loss figure without independent verification. The loss prevention team also receives a B+. Automated detection paired with human review produced a well-documented case. Yet the policy that required no receipt for small refunds is the very weakness the scheme exploited. The subject receives a C+. He remained calm and accepted responsibility, but he confessed in full
The documents
to a
clearly
felony
indicate that the shipment was diverted
after the
before it reached
warning
its intended destination.
without first
We have the evidence
consulting
right
an
here.
attorney. His repeated conduct, not his demeanor, drives the grade down. Several lessons follow. For employers, a control that detects theft only after 42 transactions is a detection success, but a prevention failure. For officers, the clarity of a Miranda warning protects the prosecution as much as the suspect. And for any person under questioning, the Fifth Amendment exists precisely for moments like this. The prudent course, even when one intends to take responsibility, is silence and counsel. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.